Hey, this is Ray from Bullyan RV. Today I'll be showing you around our new 2020 Forest River FR3 33DS Class A gas motorhome. Awesome floor plan, really cool exterior look. This is a Ford V10. Up here you got your slope dash, give you a better field of vision when you're going down the road. Side cameras on both sides here, as you can see. Nice big mirrors. Nice big power awning. Furion solar prep down there. It's your battery compartment here. Little outdoor entertainment center, TV. Big storage compartment here, 12-volt plug-in, couple 110s. Storage in here. Pass-through storage. Water heater. Another storage compartment in here. And a giant storage compartment in the back. So you got plenty of outside storage on this unit. Got a backup camera in the back there. A nice big window too into the bedroom. Walkable roof. You got a ladder back here. Another storage compartment that is passed through. Here's your power cord. More storage. Slide covers. So awnings over the slides here to keep junk from getting in there. Onan 5500 generator. Pass through. Water connections here, outdoor shower. Got your propane, another little storage compartment in there. Let's take a look inside. This grab handle, power steps, power bunk up here. Really nice flooring in here, no carpet. Electronic leveling system. Really comfortable feeling cab. These chairs do swivel around to make a little living room for you here. Little laptop workspace. Nice booth dinette that'll fold down into a nice little bed for you. Theater seating. Those will recline for you as well. Nice big refrigerator. Little pantry. Big TV with a fireplace down there too. That's nice free heat when you're hooked up to power. Nice big oven. 3-burner cooktop. Giant microwave. Spray hose for your sink. It's a nice big double sink. Extra counter space in here. And you get a little extra counter space over here as well. Plenty of storage. Roof mounted AC that is ducted throughout. And you do get another AC unit back here in the master bedroom. Pocket door here into the bathroom, and this gives you a lot of space in here. You do have washer dryer. That does come with it. Nice counter space in here. Nice big shower. Foot flush toilet. All your slide controls, water heater, etc. Temperature controls. LED lighting in the ceiling. This little spot here with a window. Pocket door into the bedroom here. Nice big master bedroom. Plenty of room to move around in here and not feel crammed. Just a ton of hanging storage in here for all your clothes. All around here. You got something you want to keep safe. Stick it up in the secret storage compartment behind the TV. A little more storage here. Underneath in the wardrobe here. Nice little work area. USB charging stations throughout on this unit as well. It's a really nice floor plan. We'll give you a couple more shots of this floor plan here. Nice little appliance garage. Alrighty. Once again, my name is Rafe. If you have any questions about this unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 218-591-5257, and we'll see you here.